Hello friends, today's our practical aim is to find focal length of concave mirror, and the apparatus required for these experiments are concave mirror, source, screen, meter scale, holder, or we can say it is a stand. See here I have shown you meter scale, stand, screen and the concave mirror whose focal length we are going to find. Okay, now how we can conduct the experiment? See here, for this we attach this mirror to a stand and we have to keep it in front of the screen. So when we get the clear image on the screen, this will give you the focal length. The distance between screen and the mirror is focal length. See, this we are measuring the distance from screen to the mirror, 15 centimeter. It is given to be focal length of the mirror. We are getting on the screen clear image. First, identify the range of your distance between object and mirror by this formula. Let focal length is 15 centimeter, then calculate the distance must be 22 centimeter to 37.5 centimeter in between these two lengths. Now arrange the apparatus as shown here. It is illuminated wire gauge, screen and the concave mirror. So when wire gauge is illuminated on this mirror, you get the image of the wire gauge on the screen. Okay, so let it will be start. You will get reflection from this concave mirror on the screen. So observe, this is a screen. You have to change the distance of the mirror from the wire gauge. So take the reading when this image becomes bright. You can change the screen also. Check whenever you are getting the clear image. If you are not getting, then change. See, here you are getting the clear illuminated image of the wire gauge from the source. So take this distance of screen to the mirror. This is 40. Image distance is 40. Object distance from the source, it is 24. Now change the distance by 2 centimeter. Now change the distance of the screen. So fix the mirror from the source and change the distance of the screen only. Find the image distance. Second time you will find here 35.45. The clear image should be there on the screen. So calculate according to the given formula. You will get the focal length 14.99. Now change the distance to be 28 centimeter. It is object distance. Now find the image distance by changing the screen. So screen comes closer to the mirror. Now the length is 32.3 centimeter. See, here you are getting the clear image. So calculate again according to the given thing. You will find here again the focal length is 14.99. Now again change the distance by 2 centimeter. Means here we are changing the objective, that means mirror distance from the source every time by 2 to 2 centimeters. And we are calculating every time the screen distance by obtaining the clear image on the screen. So like this you will complete by every 2 centimeter difference of object distance you calculate V. From this you can calculate V. So since every time you are getting nearly 15 centimeter focal length, so results will be focal length of concave mirror is 15 centimeter. So hope you understand this. Subscribe our channel to know about the physics.